Welcome to the Sawyer eBay Seller channel. I'm Sawyer, and today one of my students who was on PSW has successfully secured self-sponsorship. In this video, I'm going to clear up all the confusion around how self-sponsorship actually works, because a lot of people have questions and mixed information. I'm going to break the entire process down step by step and explain exactly how self-sponsorship works once you come onto PSW. The first thing you must understand is this. The backbone of self-sponsorship is business. Without a real business and without real revenue, this process is not possible. Many people ask me, Sawyer Bhai, can we start a business as a student or should we wait until PSW? And the answer is simple. You wait for PSW. Once you receive your PSW, your very first step is registering a proper limited company, because without company registration, self-sponsorship cannot happen and that same company will later sponsor you. After that, you focus on building a business, and this is where my expertise comes in. For self-sponsorship, the business I recommend is online selling, and more specifically, eBay. Platforms like TikTok Shop require constant content creation. Amazon private label needs a £5,000 to £6,000 investment, but eBay works differently. We use proper UK-based eBay dropshipping suppliers. This model is legal and realistic for people on PSW who are doing this alongside work. Once your company is registered, you create your eBay account, choose the right products, work with the right suppliers, and everything is set up properly step by step. One mistake people make is coming to me saying they only have 6 or 7 months left on PSW, and that's not how this works. Your tax return is your strongest proof of income, and without enough time, you cannot even file one. That's why you need at least 1 full year. As soon as you move on to PSW, register your company, start eBay, and focus on generating profit. After 12 months, your company must show enough profit to meet the skilled worker salary requirement. Once your tax return is filed, you apply for a sponsorship license, and when the license is approved, you sponsor yourself as a director. That entire system is called self-sponsorship, and once again, it all comes back to one thing: business. I'm Sawyer Shah. I've been selling online for over 14 years. We do more than £5 million annually on eBay and Amazon, and my focus is helping people build real eBay businesses that allow them to legally self-sponsor and secure their future in the UK. Please like the video, share it with someone who needs this information, and subscribe to the Sawyer eBay Seller channel.